Welcome to the Outdoor Adventure and Urban Survival channel. My name is Jay and I'll be taking you to my 4th ever camp and hiking trip. Winter in Canberra at the moment, so there will be a different change of equipment. I will be bringing my Neoair Xtherm, which is brand new, just received it yesterday, and I'll be borrowing the club's winter sleeping bag. I have removed some extra weight from my from my shelter. So the last time I was on camera, I did mention that there was a couple of things I'd like to remove. So I've removed the 2 additional pegs from my tent, plus the 2 guidelines, because I don't believe it's going to be too windy. It's not forecast to have a storm up in the mountains. Where we are going is into the Nass Valley Trail and staying at the Horse Gully Hut. Now there will be some facilities there, so we do have a water tank and we also have an outhouse there. I will be taking my best friend there. We will be carpooling, so there's 12 of us in total going into 4 cars. I'll be meeting her at our checkpoint at 12:30 today. Last night with the Thermarest Xtherm, it's a lot warmer, a bit hot. I got a phone mount for this stand, so I was able to watch TV shows. And my thermals and the thermal socks that Sam gave me was actually really successful today. So full sleep. The whiskey that Ben got me was also good as well. So cool. What sleeping pad did you have?
I got a Thermarest.
Did you have the Thermarest with the bag that helped inflate it? What tent do you have? Is it a 4 season? This is the Rainbow Top 2 tent. This was just a small snippet of my winter camp. So far it was actually successful, did not get sick. Whiskey was a good idea, keep you warm. The views are beautiful, plenty of kangaroos and plenty of wallabies. And definitely a good group of people to keep you entertained when you're at the fire.